Hello everyone. I have the honor to present you my work entitled Minimizing the Acidity of Sand-dried Grapes by Optimizing the Pretreatment Conditions. This work is part of the preparation of doctoral thesis in the optimization of process conditions for quality of foods product. This work is organized according to the following plan: introduction, method and materials, results and discussion, finally a short conclusion. The evolution of the production of grapes in Algeria in the last decade goes from 500,000 quintal in 2010 to 900,000 quintal in 29. Draining is one of the most important processes. The pretreatment before is considered as a decisive step, influence and change the shelf life as well as to improve the quality of the final product while controlling its nutritional composition, a complicated procedure of the product. The chemical change according during this determine the final quality of the dried product. In order to analyze all data can be used depending on many factors, such as temperature, sweating time, and method of pretreatment. It turned out that it is so important to determine the optimum condition of the pretreatment operation. In this work, a new pretreatment solution was used to treat solar dried grapes upstream of the process in order to minimize the acidity of the fruits. An experiment design determined by Taguchi approach is used, taking into consideration the pretreatment, the treatment time factor, and the pretreatment temperature. Indeed, a new pretreatment solution is proposed to obtain the modern draining of grapes by the sand draining technique. Grapes of saddle table variety are purchased at the local fresh local market of Forga City. After careful selection, the samples are washed and soaked in a pretreatment solution consisting of a mixture of olive oil and calcium carbonate, then heated at three different temperatures: 40, 60, and 80 Celsius degrees during three different soaking times in the solution. You have 2 minutes, 4 minutes, and 6 minutes. The Takushi approach experiment plan carried out to determine the number of experiments carried out. The draining operation is carried out by exposing the product, placed and placed directly in the sand. The moisture content is determined and finally acidity measured in the end of the process. The following table presents the treatability acidity results and their evaluation as function of soaking time and temperature. You have 9 experiments with the different levels of temperatures and soaking time. The result is the acidity expression of tartaric of milligram per kilograms of matter. The effect of temperature and soaking time in the obtained signal to macerations represented in these pictures. You have a positive effect of temperature and the negative soaking time. The results obtained by optimization based on the statistical analysis corresponding to the minimizing response value. Here you have smaller is the better. So that the optimal temperature is 60 degrees Celsius and the soaking time is 4 minutes for a tartaric acidity content of 0.603%. As conclusion, the Taguchi method carved out to minimize the acidity of sand-dried table grapes gave the result of 0.62% acidity in the optimal condition of 60 Celsius degrees for temperature and 4 minutes for swaking time. And thank you for your attention.